Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change background color of cells, rows and columns in the table of Microsoft Word. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So here you can see that we have a table. Then you need to click on this option from the left mouse cursor and the table settings will pop up. Then you need to, let's suppose I want to color this cell only. Then you need to click on shading and here you can see that I can color. So let's suppose I want to shade this all, so you simply need to select this one like this and click on shading and select the color. So let me select this one, and here I want to color this all. Let's select this all, go on to the shading and let me select a color. So this is a process by which you can change background color of cells, rows and columns in the table of Microsoft Word. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.